Hi everyone, welcome to Coding with Izzy. This is the second part of the emotions episode. Last time we created functions representing different emotions, and now we're going to use those to create behaviour for MiRo. Alright, let's start. Launch a session of MiRo code, and then we're going to load our program from last episode. So right click on the top left, click load, and then find the program. This is usually saved in your downloads folder. Great. Now we've got all of the 4 functions we created last episode. Neutral, sad, happy, and very happy. Start with program start, as always, to set MiRo up. Now we're going to go to loops and select a while loop. And then just put in a logic block saying true. This is essentially going to give us an endless loop. Now we're going to go into logic and pull out the if block. We're going to create our own custom block by adding some else ifs, 3 of these, and then an else at the bottom. You do this by clicking the cog at the top of the block and then dragging and dropping as appropriate. Once this is done, we can start building up our program. Go to logic again and select the and block. We're then going to fill this with 2 sensor detected in the previous X seconds blocks. Pull these in from the sensor category, change 1 to body and 1 to head. Then go to functions and select very happy. Then duplicate the and block, pop this in the next else if, change the and button to an or. Go to functions and add happy. This means that if his head and his body have been stroked recently, he'll be very happy, but if only his head or his body have been stroked recently, then he'll be happy. We're now going to create the sad emotions. This will be if he's not been stroked in a very long time. So go to the logic and get another and block. We're then going to go to logic again and get the inequality block. We're then going to go into the sensor category and find seconds since body touch. Then go into the maths category and just grab a simple number. We're going to set this number to 6. Duplicate the inequality box and put it into the other side of the function, changing it to the head sensors. Then go to functions and pull the sad function into the do. Then click on the and, duplicate it. Now change the inequality to greater than or equal to, and change the number to 4. We're also going to change the and to an or. Then move in the neutral function, and we're also going to do else neutral. So if any other situations, MiRo will be in a neutral mood. We can then simulate our code and test to see if it works. MiRo should start feeling quite sad because he's not been touched in a very long time. Then if you use the buttons on the simulation to represent body touch and head touch, we can simulate stroking MiRo and hopefully build him up to be very happy, happy, and neutral. You can see on the bottom right when MiRo is being stroked because of the animation, and you can see the lights change colour depending on his emotion. This is great. We've managed to create a MiRo with actual emotions. Fantastic. Now I'm going to enter the IP address of my robot and test out these behaviours. Fantastic! It looks exactly like the simulation. Try switching up the different behaviours for all the emotions or adding your own emotions. Happy coding, guys! See you next time.